Brianna, where's your tummy? Where's your tummy, Brianna? Here's your tummy. Bravo. Brianna, where's your hat? Hat. Brianna, where's your nose? Where's your nose? Nose. Yeah. Where's your hat? Where's your head? Yeah. Where's your tummy? I want to see your tummy again. Where's your tummy? You're silly. Where's your tummy? Oh, microwave. Brianna, where is your helmet? Helmet. Where? Where's your helmet? Over there? Is it your helmet over there? Over here? Brianna, over here? Helmet. What do you need? Do you need help? You don't need help? Here's your helmet. Brianna, where's your cup? Where's your cup, Brianna? All done? I know, helmet. Where's your cup? Oh no, what did you do? Why did you do that to Christian's helmet? Brianna, where's your cup? Where's your cup? Is your cup right here? Oh, this is your binky. You have to keep looking for your cup. It's inside. No cup? Is it in here? Nope. Is it in here? No. Oh no, what did they do to your cup? Brianna, what does doggy say? Brianna, what does doggy say? What does puppy say? Where's your doggy? Brianna. Brianna. Brianna, where's your doggy?
Okay.
Where is it? Oh, wow, 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 wow. There's your doggy. Good job. What does cat say? Cat meow. Good job, Brianna.